Hey everybody, I'm Venus Martinez. Today I'm here in Hamilton and we're going to the falls. We're going to so many falls. They have Tiffany Falls and Sherman Falls, and there's another one right here. So we're gonna walk. It's a very long walk, but it's okay. We're gonna start here, Tiffany Falls. Yeah. This is a nice place to visit. This is Wilson Street, so make sure you guys, I'm gonna leave the address below so you guys can know where is this place. I'm in Hamilton, Ontario, Canada. Thank you for watching, appreciate that. Saludos a todos, bienvenidos, soy Venus Martínez y hoy me encuentro en Hamilton, Ontario, y estamos por aquí, venimos a ver las cataratas. Hay unas cuantas cataratas por aquí en Hamilton y nos vinimos a verlas. Así que acompáñenme. Fue un poquito difícil encontrar la ruta, pero la pude encontrar y llegué. Y bueno, vamos a comenzar aquí con estas primeras cataratas que se llaman Tiffany. Cataratas del Tiffany, así que nos vamos a verlas. Wow, miren esto. Super nice. Look at that. And I'm with my Tim Hortons. Very nice. Let me show you guys. Wow. Why? Me acaba de picar un mosquito aquí, horrible, horrible. We're going river up. Bueno, mi gente, hemos llegado a las primeras falls. Estas son las cataratas de Tiffany aquí en Hamilton. Guys, this is one of the waterfalls here in Hamilton. Look at that. It's beautiful. Super nice. Esa es una de las cataratas que hay aquí en Hamilton. Super nice. Pagamos $15 la entrada y pues no. Es bonita la experiencia. Vamos a ir a otra. We're gonna go to another waterfall. We have to walk a little bit, but yeah. We're going for a second waterfalls. Okay, we're going for the second waterfalls. You have to just cross the street, Wilson Street, here in Hamilton. And now we're going for the second waterfalls. Ahorita vamos para nuestro segundo cataratas. Acabamos de cruzar la calle y ahorita ya vamos para nuestro segundo escaleras. Son como las 8 de la mañana, súper temprano, así que ya nos bañamos en la primera. Ahora vamos para la segunda. It's around 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm going for my second waterfalls. This is around 10-15 minutes walk. Así que vámonos para la otra. Trataré de no colocar música en este video porque pues para que escuchen la naturaleza. Pero bueno, voy a mostrarles. Es una pequeña catarata. Una pequeña catarata. Esto es lo que se ve del otro lado de lo primero que les mostré. Ahí es donde sale el agua. Okay. Bueno, aquí vamos. This is the road for our second waterfalls. Aquí vamos caminando por este parque. Por allá arriba se encuentra la highway, y the highway is up over there. We have to walk probably 10 more minutes, and yeah, finally we are here. We walked around 20 minutes. It was not like 10 minutes, it was like 20 minutes. So yeah, second waterfalls here at Hamilton. Caminamos como 20 minutos. Sí, súper, pero ya llegamos. Esta es la segunda cascada que hay aquí en Hamilton. Súper bonito. Súper bonito. A tomarse fotos espectaculares. ¡Qué hermosura! Wow, it's so beautiful. Okay, we're gonna walk through there. Woo! Oh my God, it's beautiful. Wow. This is amazing. Oh wow. Alright, so you're coming from there and you have to pass the waterfalls, and then we're gonna go to the other side. Yeah. Let's go to the other waterfalls. This is the stairs for heaven. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's tired. We are halfway to the third one. Here we go. Just this one. So this is the third waterfalls. I'm gonna go back and walk. I have like what, 1 hour to go back to the first road. But yeah, let's go back. Hey, wow, so small. So, estuvimos aquí, nos fuimos a esta y fuimos a esta. Esta es un poco más pequeña, por eso no caminamos hasta allá. Pero vamos a ir a otro lugar. Y aquí está Bruce Tree. Okay, my friends, now we're going for another waterfalls. It's around 17 minutes far from here. But yeah, we're gonna go. Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe, comment, like. Let's go to the other waterfalls. You can see the cemetery. Look at this, guys. And you guys can park. We're going to the other one. Okay, so we are in the second part of the waterfalls here in Hamilton, and parking is $11, and they charge another $5 per person if you are inside the car with other people. Of course, they charge $5 per person. Make sure you guys follow the trail. Okay, I'm gonna go that way. Imagínate que te saliera un cocodrilo por acá. Ay, Dios. Bueno, esta es una de las vistas. This is one of the views. And this is the other view from the waterfalls. around this side. Oh wow. There's where we're gonna go. Like right there. Look at this. Beautiful. We're gonna go right over there. Beautiful, beautiful view. Look at that. So scary. I was checking my video that I made here many years ago, and it was no tray here. Like this one, it was not here, and now they put it. And I was like, oh my God, I was just there. I went just there to take a picture. That is crazy. Now it's we're not allowed. But I was just there. And my video, I make a video just there. That's crazy. Nice view. Beautiful. Well, my friends from Hamilton, Ontario, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. And see you guys in my next video. Bye. Look at this. Oh my goodness. No way. So scared of that. You guys can see a little bit.